Assume that the required reserve ratio is 10%. Banks keep no excess reserves, and borrowers deposit all loans made by banks. Suppose you have saved $100 in cash at home and decide to deposit it in your checking account. As a result of your deposit, the money supply can increase by a maximum of blank. So in this question, we're asked to calculate the money supply, given that the banks have a required reserve ratio of 10% and that they keep no excess reserves. So because we have $100 in cash, let's begin by highlighting how much the bank keeps and how much it loans out. So initially, this $100 in cash that you deposit, the 10% of this, or $10, goes to the bank as part of the required reserves. So this is the required reserves. The rest are excess reserves, but because the bank keeps no excess reserves, it loans this money out. So $90 is loaned out. And now to calculate how much this will influence the money supply, we have to find the spending multiplier, which essentially determines how much this $90 in increased money supply will lead to the maximum change in money supply. To calculate this, we need to calculate 1 over the required reserve ratio. And because the required reserve ratio is 10%, this would be 1 over 0.1, or 10. Now, using this number and the $90 that was initially entered into the money supply, we can calculate the maximum change in the money supply. So that would be $90 times 10, which is equal to $900. Therefore, the maximum change in the money supply is $900. So, option choice B is correct because it properly shows that the maximum change in the money supply is $900.